Ever wondered how to find trending topics for YouTube videos? Well, you're in the right place. Spotting trends can be challenging, isn't it? As content creators, we often grapple with finding innovative ideas that captivate attention and boost our channel's reach. So, how do we decode the secret of generating viral content? The answer lies in comprehending trends, the shared interests of individuals at a particular period. To identify these trends, we'll delve into Google Trends today, a robust tool that tracks global search behavior. Whether you're curious about a specific search term's popularity or want to contrast multiple search terms, Google Trends has your back. It also permits you to monitor search interest in a subject by region or over time. But there's more. We'll also be delving into AI chat tools. You might question, how can these assist with YouTube trends? AI chat tools employ machine learning to scrutinize data from social media, blogs, news articles, and more to identify trending topics. This knowledge can guide you to produce content that aligns with your audience and might go viral. It isn't a cakewalk to unearth the next big thing on YouTube, but armed with the right tools and strategies, it becomes easier. Keep in mind, it's about knowing your audience, their likes, and what's currently setting the digital world on fire. Stick around to unravel the mystery of finding trending topics for YouTube videos. The world of trends awaits you. Let's dive in and discover how. First, let's delve into the world of Google Trends and see how it can be your secret weapon. Google Trends is more than a tool. It's your tool. It's your guide into the collective consciousness of the globe, reflected in their search queries. It's a window into the minds of internet users and their shifting interests. This tool is an encyclopedia of data and insights that can turbocharge your digital marketing initiatives and elevate key to understanding what topics are capturing attention and why. It's a thermometer, measuring the temperature of the internet's pulse and revealing what's hot and what's not. At its core, Google Trends is straightforward, yet potent for spotting trends. It offers a snapshot of the world's most popular search terms over time and shows search term frequency to catch the wave of trends as they take off. Moreover, Google Trends boasts a distinctive feature. It boasts a distinctive feature specificity. You can focus on what's trending in your target location or during your campaign period, ensuring maximum impact and relevance. It's a digital microscope, enabling you to zoom into the online landscape at will. Google Trends is not solely for observing, it's grasping. These trends empowers you to fine-tune your strategies, adapt your content, and shape your marketing campaigns. It enables you to engage your audience with timely, pertinent, and engaging content. Think of Google Your Online Journey, steers you towards fresh topics and trends. With it, you're not merely keeping pace with the digital world, you're step ahead. Shift away from the shackles of daily operations and explore strategic planning. By predicting future trends, you're just reacting. You're proactively crafting your content strategy. That's the charm of Google Trends. It's not about chasing every trend, it's about pinpointing trends that dovetail with your brand and audience's interests, using data to guide your decisions and creating content that resonates. It's not just about statistics, it's about forging connections. That's the power of Google Trends. With Google Trends, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips, the Curve. Let's secret weapon in your digital marketing arsenal. As you harness its insights, you can craft compelling, relevant, and timely content that resonates with your audience and propels your brand forward in the digital world. Dive into Next, we'll look at AI chat tools, your next best friend in the realm of trending topics. They're not just simple software, but complex systems that analyze a sea of data from social media, news sites, and more. They identify trending topics, unfolding discussions, and hot-button issues worldwide, turning this data into valuable insights. Think of them as your digital sidekick, tirelessly deciphering the world's chatter. They provide you with a real-time snapshot waves globally. Imagine having the ability to sense the pulse of the global conversation right at your fingertips. That's exactly what AI chat tools are designed to do. But it's not just about knowing what's popular. These tools also provide you with a fresh perspective. They break down complex data into insights that can fuel your strategies. They help you understand trends rather than merely follow them, giving you a deeper understanding of what's driving the conversation and the outcome, an edge over your competitors. In today's fast-paced digital world, being ahead of the curve is key. AI chat tools, arm you with the insights to do that, ensuring you are consistently ahead in your industry. They can you with a fresh perspective on trending topics, giving. Now that you know how to use both Google Trends and AI chat tools, imagine the potential when used in unison. These aren't just standard tools, they're digital powerhouses. Google Trends is a remarkable tool that exposes global trends, providing real-time data about what's happening worldwide. It allows you to gauge global audience and behavior. AI chat tools offer a contrasting advantage: direct communication with your audience, understanding their likes, dislikes, and interests. They disclose audience preferences in a way unmatched by any tool. They allow for real-time interaction and personalization. When you combine these tools, the insights gained can enhance your content creation significantly. You're not just following trends, you're staying ahead. You're not just understanding your audience, you're engaging them, creating content that they truly want. Used together, Google Trends and AI chat tools help you identify standout content, the type that resonates, sparks interest, and encourages engagement. You can create content that's not just informative but engaging, not just relevant but compelling, and not just on trend but ahead of it. Remember, content is king, but understanding your audience and using these tools in combination is what truly in the digital world. By doing so, you can stay on top of trends and keep your content engaging. So, there you have it, a guide to finding YouTube topics. Now let's explore these tools. Google Trends, a powerful resource, Internet Trends, to fit these trends. Next, we have the AI chat tools. These tools use AI to simulate human interactions, facilitating brainstorming and content generation. They aim to help you create engaging content efficiently. Start exploring these tools today, and happy trending!